Dear friends, the Delhi police has arrested an young girl and an activist, Disha Ravi, a student in Bangalore, under Seditious Act in support of the farmers' agitations under the mode of toolkits, which has been shared by climate change activist Greta at an international level. The allegations of the government of India is this: in the order of promoting the Khalistanis slogans and promoting the interest of the separate statehood for Khalistanis, she has been designing all these things, toolkits, so as to make misinformations among the citizens of this country. But the facts are otherwise. The thing is that even in the trial court and the Delhi High Court bail case, our lawyer has argued that she has not engaged with any of the Khalistani terrorist activities and promoting their interest. Rather, she is interested in the interest of the Indian farmers who have been fighting for their legitimate rights in a most democratic and peaceful manner for the past 70 days in and around Delhi arenas and other parts of the country. In this connection, what I want to say that the toolkits are meant in this digital world so as to give online information to the customers and users to make the best use of the toolkit so as to make that in a better way. Like that of car drivers toolkits, and while traveling abroad we can use that airline kits, and like that toolkits are not anti-nationals, and hence the analogy of the government of India and the Delhi police and arrest of that young lady under Seditious Act is against the Constitution of India, against the democratic values. The first arrest made under Seditious Act was Balagangadhar Tilagar. Till after Indian independence and Republic of the country, the Seditious Act is continuing is against the democratic nature of the countries, ethos of the Indian Constitution and whatnot. Hence, in the trial court and in the Delhi bail case, our lawyer has argued that if fighting for the legitimate rights of the farmers, I would be in the jail rather than outside the jail ambit. Hence, she has acted in the larger interest of the farming communities and in the larger interest of protecting the interest of the nation. Hence, she must be dealt according to the due process of the land, not under Seditious Act. This is our humble request to the government of India.